Keep running. And look at the camera. Okay, guys, you need to be talking. Doing something.
Doing something. What was that?
Stuffed guts.
Would you care to elaborate?
Did you get enough to eat?
What was that?
Did you get enough to eat? Is that where you got your license from?
Yes. Street sign or something for this blood, or?
It's the next road on the right.
I thought it was real close.
That's it. That's where it's at, man.
Plummer Theater.
The Plummer family.
What's the story behind this name?
What?
Knoblick.
Oh, you know, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. The old timers, you know, they name stuff different than we do today.
Just a little bit.
Walking off into the sunset.
Okay,
Walking off into the sunset.
one more time.
Walking off into the sunset. The great man of God. Smoking his cigar. The anointed cigar.
Yeah, remember that the first one we made, the video we did, we had something about cigars in that. Remember that?
No.
Oh, bud. All right. That's it. Pretty what?
Pretty impressive.
Just look at that anointed finger.
Yeah, you don't see this.
Oh my God!
It was.
Give us some profound words of wisdom.
Profound words of wisdom, Mike.
Well, beautiful day.
Beautiful. You know, Harry says that.
I feel like I'm gonna give birth.
You look like you're going to give birth.
This?
Yeah,
It's the latest invention.
to keep it still, you mean?
Yeah.
Who invented it?
I don't know.
It's
Probably arranged for more likely to be made in China. Mass market.
somebody.
No, somebody else did it. I don't know who. I've never tried it till today, though. Mike and I came up here for a lightning storm the other night. You really missed out,
Did
Jim.
you video that?
Yeah.
And the sun sets. Isn't there a place called Granite Rock or something around here?
There's a quarry not far from here.
I mean, it's like a national park or something. What now?
Graniteville. That's where Elephant Rocks is.
Elephant Rocks.
It's a peaceful place, though.
About once every 3 months, maybe.
Are you backslid, Jim?
Well, you know.
I've actually been to a bunch of things at the Method or the old Methodist deal.
Would you care to elaborate there, Mike?
Well, buddy, don't roll when we're talking about somebody. Except maybe Clinton or something.